Hi. So, I was looking on this website, ASCII.co.uk, and I see this cute lemon, and I was working on a project that print you some that calculate you off for the laminate corner. I will briefly explain to you what is working. So, if we want to print this, or there are millions of other ASCII arts. If you want to print every of them, so first you need to install Figlet. So it's a really simple process. You have to just copy this onto your clipboard. I go to Microsoft Visual Code, go to the PowerShell and just paste it. And you have to just install it. I have already installed it, so I don't run it again. So here's my code. And one thing you have to note, you have to copy this, paste it, and I named a variable lemon and then equal, then bracket 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, then last bracket. Great. And then here is the name lemon variable, and I'm printing lemon here. So let me just run the code. So yeah, let me just zoom it. Yeah. It's saying welcome to the laminate corner. Your laminate size, Sarah madam. So I think we should go for the medium size. It's asking for us if we want to add some black salt. No, I don't like black salt. So if it's again asking if we need any extra mints on our laminate. Yeah, it's a sunny day, so laminate will be great. So here is it's printing the laminate ASCII art and the message. Here is your cool fresh laminate and the price is $2. So how the $2 comes, let me show you. Yeah, so we ask for the medium one. So cup size, this is S, this is medium. Yeah, so this is medium. This is default $1 and it is asking for the black salt. So we said no. So this is 0.5 if we told them yes. So this is 0 and they are asking me for if we want extra mint. So that is $1. So $1 and $1. This is $2 and that's how I made this one. Yeah.